What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Ubisoft Connect code on Steam. So let's get started. So first, head over to the Steam application and from here you need to hover to the library section and then click on home. After that, you need to find the game and select a game, particularly the one that requires activation code from Ubisoft. And after that, when you find that particular game after browsing, you just need to click on manage. And after that, from here, you will see the Ubisoft game code if you have it. But the CD code or the game code is the older generation thing. So in the new modern games, this is not usually used. So if you find it, you can just simply copy and paste it and activate the game from that code. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.